Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Thursday update. As per usual, this is going to be sort of behind the scenes type of things you can see from us. There wasn't too much going on, just a few boxes came in, so we get to unload those. And without further ado, let's get into it. And that does it for this week. Thank you guys for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video that is available will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. If you have any questions, concerns, or would like to see something, be sure to put that in the comments below. We'll be reading those and getting back to you on those. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you click on that, you'll be notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.